This is an earthquake two-cycle cultivator ground tiller. It looks pretty new. It's barely used, but it will not start. So I didn't know what was going on with this thing. I used starting fluid. It worked. Then I tried starting it without. It didn't want to work. There's this button here. There's a pump. We pump some fuel here from the pump. So I tried to get some pump some fuel from here. It didn't come in here. And when I found out that these hoses, that's what was in there. Well, that's it. There's nothing else. There's supposed to be a hose going into the fuel. It wasn't going in there. So it looks, for some reason, it was broken or something. So I ordered a kit from Amazon. So that's the kit. It goes in here with a filter. This goes into the gas tank. And tried it. There's a fuel in here. Now we started. It will start right away. So it should start. That was the issue. Fuel wasn't getting to the carburetor due to the hoses being broken.